Okay, so it took 11 years, 311 total videos, but I finally had one of my videos pass 1 million views here on YouTube. So here's what we're gonna do in this video. I wanna share with you how much money this 1 million view video has made. I wanna show you how much money it's made compared to other YouTubers who have also hit the 1 million view mark on some of their videos. Several other YouTubers have shared their revenue as well, and I'm not the first to do this, but it's gonna be interesting to compare and contrast because it's kinda all over the place. And number 3, I wanna share with you how the revenue compares to revenue streams that I have outside of the YouTube space. What are those revenue streams? Are we just talking hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars? Stick around, you'll see. Now it's time to get inspired. Here are my top performing videos. As you can see at the top here, how to create an awesome slide presentation has 1.2 million views. And 2 things I want to talk about related to this, a big win and a big fail. The big win here is that over the course of its lifetime, it's made over $5,000, $5,090.16 to be exact, which was quite unexpected. This is not a video that I would normally produce. I speak more about business models and entrepreneurship. This is about how to create an awesome slide deck, and YouTube just picked it up, and I've been rewarded for that, which is really cool. But here is where I failed. I failed to capitalize on how much YouTube was actually supporting this video. This is the only video I have on my channel about creating an awesome slide deck. If I was smarter, I would have created other videos on this topic too. This isn't in my wheelhouse, but I should have been listening to YouTube. So if you ever get a video that pops, the best thing to do is create other videos that are similar to follow up and cross-promote with each other. I should have done that, and I didn't, and that was a huge mistake. Boo! The other interesting thing about this video is look at the trajectory here within its first year after publishing. A big spike at the top because I had some subscribers, then nothing, and then all of a sudden, for whatever reason, YouTube's algorithm said, hey, we like showing this video to people, and that's what happened. Unfortunately, I didn't turn on monetization right away. I turned it on much later, and still really happy with the results, but could have done much better. Now let's see how this revenue of $5,000 for a 1 million view video compares to other YouTubers. So first up, we have Shelby Church, a lifestyle YouTuber out of LA. She shared a couple interesting stats here in this video revealing her income. She compares and contrasts 2 of her videos against each other. One with 2.2 million views. Let me pause this. 2.2 million views, making only $743. And then another video of hers, 370,000 views, significantly less, but making way much more, $3,015. This one was about the CEO of Scentbird. The lower revenue video is about how to pose in photos. Interesting. And as we go over these different YouTubers, you're going to notice some patterns. So see if you can figure them out as we go along. Next up, we have Roberto Blake, a creative entrepreneur, public speaker, business coach. He shot a video called Passive Income, 10 Ways to Make Passive Income Online, shot back in 2016. During his report, he said that with 1.4 million views, he's earned $9,836, which is quite on the high end. All right, next up we have Sunny, who is a vlogger from Norway. She reported numbers behind a couple of her videos. She had a video with over 5 million views called Speaking German, and her revenue on this video was a grand total of, for the lifetime of this video, $2,054. Significantly less CPM, or cost per 1,000 views. She had another video called Trying Mexican Candy, which had about 500,000 views, and it generated $1,479. So like in the case of Shelby, same channel, different video, higher CPM. Even though there's less views, this is going to make more money. Next up, we have Tech Lead. He used to work at Google and Facebook, and he shared the revenue behind a 1 million view video that he came out with. And the title is My Wife Left Me, How Success Destroyed Us. A little sad, but the revenue he earned from this video is $4,754, which is a good amount. The one thing that Tech Lead did do very right is when he saw the success of that video, he came out with a follow-up video, which is what you see here, something that I didn't do, and I encourage everybody to make sure they do if they see a video take off on their own channel. So you can see 600,000 views on this one, and I don't know how much revenue he made, but I'm sure he made a little bit more. I'm sure this was a tough time in his life for him, but I'm sure that his audience really appreciated the vulnerability. I do. All right, this is Reyes the Entrepreneur. He has had a few videos pop on YouTube related to his vending machine business. And this video in particular, how much I made in my vending machine business in 1 month, did significantly well. It reached 1 million views in just 9 days. And in those 9 days, he earned $3,706.75. Definitely not bad for just 9 days only. The question I have for you right now is, have you yet noticed any patterns between the subject matter of these videos and how much revenue they're each making? Perhaps you've noticed a pattern between the more business or money-related content versus the non-money related content. Well, keep watching. Let's see if that pattern holds true all the way through. All right, next up we have Graham Stephan, who shared the numbers behind a viral video of his that hit over 1 million views.
I made $7,300 on a video that got 1.2 million views, and that was the video where I unboxed the JP Morgan Reserve credit card. And I gotta say, sometimes it's so random which videos YouTube decides to push, because wow, I did not expect that video to get so many views.
And Graham is absolutely right. Sometimes you just kind of don't know, which means you should just continue to post content, quality content that helps people, but you never know, one of them might pop. Definitely check out Graham's channel. He's been crushing it lately with some amazing content about finances and money. All right, next up we have Koko Lilly, who is a beauty, fashion, and fitness YouTuber. She had a video about how to take Instagram pictures with about 860,000 views and an estimated revenue of $1,834. She shared the numbers behind another video called My Morning Routine with 1.4 million views and an estimated revenue of $1,115. All right, next up we have Monique Reed, who is a lifestyle and beauty YouTuber. She created a video that was about how to create a intro tutorial if you're in the beauty space, and her video had 1.16 million views.
So I told you guys this video made $4,151.
That's again $4,151. Next up, we have Cole Doctor's channel, which is a music-related channel with entertaining videos like this one. Metal musicians react to pop music. There's also videos like parents reacting to heavy metal, and as you can see, this video has 1.2 million views. How much revenue do you believe this video made? Well, let me show you. This video, when it was at 1.1 million views, so still over a million, made only $127.93. I just got to throw the cents in there just to make it sound a little bit better because, oh my gosh, what do you think happened? Cole's going to explain.
So what happened was when I uploaded it, all the songs were just modified by a little bit and they're all sandwiched together, so it was really tough for YouTube to automatically find this video or to copyright claim it. But then, you know, a little bit after I uploaded it, one of the labels went in and found their material and claimed all the revenue from it. So that's why there's this big spike. It's like, oh, your video, you're making money, and then it got claimed, and then I've made nothing on it since.
And this isn't the only video of Cole's that's been affected. Multiple videos of his have been affected. This one with 723,000 views has made $0, and it's because, again, of copyright claim. You could probably hear it in his voice and in his intonation just how not fun this is for him, but it's just one of those things when you play with copyright claim that can happen, so just beware of that. All right, and last up we have Kevin David, a YouTuber with a significant following, almost 1 million subscribers, who talks a lot about making money online and entrepreneurship. Kevin has a video that has just blown my mind related to how much revenue he's made based on the number of views. With 1.8 million views, he's generated $49,555. I've never seen a video make this much money off of YouTube AdSense like this. Now, why do you think that this video, along with the other higher revenue generating videos, outperform the lower ones? So let me know in the comments section below. Why are some videos high and why are some low? Is it me or am I dropping a flow on a video about people making dough? I can't believe I just did that. And yes, I'm wearing a new shirt. I got 2 kids, so you can't expect me to complete a video in just 1 day, right? And who am I looking at? This is a video of mine called How to Start a Podcast Complete Tutorial. Now, I know you might be thinking, Pat, I thought you said outside of YouTube. Well, I'm going to take you there in just a second. The reason this is important is because in this video, I recommend a lot of equipment and software. In particular, pay attention to that little microphone on the lower left-hand side corner. That microphone, if I scroll down into the description here, is linked to in what's called an affiliate link. This is a link that if a person clicks on it, they go to Amazon. And then now, within the next 24 hours, if this or any other items is put into the cart, I, as a creator, earn anywhere between 4 to 8% commission on that entire cart. This is called affiliate marketing, and in this case, in particular, it's through Amazon Associates, which is their affiliate program, and you can even be an affiliate for Walmart and Target as well. But the most important point to know is just affiliate marketing is completely powerful and severely underutilized for creators, especially on YouTube. So definitely do affiliate marketing if possible. Now, let me show you just how profitable this kind of recommendation can be. So here we are on an earnings report from all of 2019 for Amazon Associates. And you can see over the past year, I've earned $23,000 in earnings. And if you look at the product listing down below, these are the products that are actually bought through my links. This single product has earned $7,146.32. That's the same exact microphone that I was just showing you. This is across just 1 year of earnings. This is more than that video I made about slides earned in 5 years. And of course, you can see below that some of the accessories like a shock mount and a microphone suspension boom arm and some other kinds of things too to go along with it. So very powerful. Definitely do it. All right, next up, I'm going to take you to Amazon and show you one of my books, Will It Fly? This was published in February of 2016, and it's available on Kindle, as a paperback book, and even as an audiobook on Audible as well. I'm going to take you into my report right now, thanks to those of you who picked it up. So here's the historical data of earnings, and there's all different kinds of currencies here. I'm just going to look at USD, US dollars. The ebook royalty, $53,000. Paperback, a little bit more, $65,000. Again, this was published after that video was published. This is February 2016. And total royalty, $124,000 for a book that was self-published. Next up, we have a piece of software that I had developed. I'm not a developer myself, but in 2011, I paid somebody $2,000 to create this tool that allows anybody for $9.99 to create a clickable map to place on their website to have a nice little directory that looks like this. How much has this made over time? So here in the data, as you can see across several months, we've made about $300 to $700 a month consistently for, the last 5 or 6 years, which is pretty incredible. And US Maps alone, 3,100 is about $30,000 in earnings from a $10 software product that kind of just sits there and does its work. Next up, we have the Smart Podcast Player. This is another piece of software that was developed over the course of a couple of years, actually, that now costs $97 annually for people to use, and we have thousands of customers. So I can't give you specific revenue numbers because this is a separate company. I have a partner on this project. However, you can kind of do the math from there. Here's a niche website that I created back in 2010. This generates income through ads like these in the middle here. These are from Google AdSense, similar to on YouTube. And as you can see down here, there's even one of these clickable maps that we have on its page. This was created because in keyword research, I found there was a lot of people looking for info about security guard training, but there was a lack of information about it. So I just created the definitive website. I am not a security guard myself, so what did I do? I called security guard companies in each of these states, asked them how to become a security guard. I just popped that information here on this website, and consistently, this website makes anywhere between $1,000 and $2,500 a month, and it's been doing so for years on autopilot. And lastly, I want to talk about a recent invention, a physical product that me and my videographer created called the Switch Pod. It's a tool that allows you to sort of switch between handheld and tripod mode in just a few seconds, which is really cool. And this was launched on Kickstarter back in February of 2019 to 4,000 plus backers who pledged $415,000. It's also available now on Amazon as well as other retail stores online. And on Amazon only, you can see that even just the past 7 days, we've generated a gross sales amount of over $10,000, 104 units over the last 7 days. And just so you know, this e-commerce, direct-to-consumer stuff, very fun, very different. Physical products, it's a whole new world. Manufacturing, a lot of costs. The profit margins are much lower than the other things that I have, but It's a lot of fun and a great learning experience too. Now, I've just shared just a fraction of the things that I do online to generate an income. I haven't shared revenue from some of my other books, my online courses, my coaching programs, and some other revenue streams. I will be talking about some of that, as well as looking into, and I've never shared this before, some of my stock portfolios as well into the future. So make sure you hit subscribe if you want to see those kinds of things. Oh, and as a reminder, make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what you think makes the difference between a high revenue video on YouTube and a low revenue video. I have some ideas myself, but I'll share those with you later, and I might even call out some of you in that video when I share the reasons why. So leave a comment below, hit that like button, and as always, thank you and Team Flynn for the win.